Hey, welcome. Good morning or good evening. Hello, everybody. Trick Biscuit, what up? Hello, good morning, Green. Natasha, hello. Trading Buddy was missing yesterday. Yeah, I'm here now. And I was here yesterday in the New York session, although it was a little bit crazy. I mean, the New York session yesterday. Let's see what is going to hold up for today. Welcome. Quite a push this morning. Just my style. Hello, good morning. Yannick's. Good to see you. 200 points push. I think we might go up to Asia high at the 700s. So let's see how that goes. We could go up there. It's like 50 points. I think NQ can do it if it wants to. Naomi, hello. Good to see you, Naomi. And Rob, hello. Rob Seb, what's up? All right. It seems like it's going for that level, but you know, we can never know. We can never know for sure. How is my Bulenox connection going? It's a little bit slow yet. I just started everything up. All right. Let's see. I think it should be going up. Well, that Asia high is, I mean, not that far actually, but yeah, once we get above the 700s, I think there's a chance to hit it, right? Albert, good morning. Farhad, hello. What's happening? So this is a nice little push here. And on the 5-minute, well, there's obviously we have some gaps down there, and we have this significant high at 713. I was looking at the daily chart, by the way. I was almost a little bit surprised. Like, look at the daily. Oops. Anyway, we have a significant low here at from last year, September the 6th. So we have a swing low here. I have a feeling that, you know, who knows? It's not that far. NQ can do it, especially after yesterday. So a push can happen anytime. I mean, sorry, a drop. Maverick, hello. Just trade pump. Yeah, so the only reasonable target I see would be the Asia high up there. But I guess there could be some profit taking and some pullback here. Ollie, good to see you. And Dogukan, hello. Pinion Mendez is here. Welcome. So we could see a possible pullback, obviously. Okay, how far does this one wants to go? Gold is also pushing it up there. I haven't checked on gold lately that much, I know that. But look at this. So far, I feel like gold is really just wants to push it to Asia highs as well. At least this one at 3132.8. But anyway, NQ so far doing a pullback. Bit of a pullback here. We'll see if it wants to push it or not. And on the other hand, nothing else. Nothing else is going on. NQ can actually pull back all the way down. Well, let's see. I mean, back into this 5-minute gap down here. Wouldn't be surprised. And then let's see how far is it from the top. Yeah, and then maybe above the 700s. We'll see. All right. No, it's an imbalance. Yes, exactly. Christopher, hello. Good morning. 18300s, not sure. Yeah, it was close. It was close. I have this 18. Look at this. It's sell side liquidity from 2024 September 6th. 18,337 on the micro. It would be somewhat similar on the mini. So that is a very significant swing low. Interesting. What? Ollie, you joined the dark side. The 1 minute time frame. All right. Well, that's how it goes. Once you join the dark side, there's no turning back. Is it better to have the option B? Adjustment you know, it depending on your trading style. If you're asking about Bulenox accounts, you're asking Bulenox option B? I mean, if you're not risking too much and going for like, I mean, even if you're full tilt, it can save your account. So it's up to you. It's depending on your style. I forgot to make my coffee, so I have to leave you guys for 2 minutes to make my coffee. I have no coffee on my desk. I forget it. I forgot it. By the way, I always do stupid things after the stream, right? So I also did a stupid thing yesterday after the stream in the PM session. Guess what happened? I blown a funded account. Yeah, it happened. Over trading, oversizing. I really have to step back for the weekend and, you know, rethink what I'm doing because it's just not good. Option for trading. Oh, okay, down here. It's a good thing, you know, because it will automatically switch to the newest contract. So why not? You know. Sorry for trading you. Yeah, I don't really take care too much of it, but Yeah, it's a good thing because you're always going to be on the newest contract. Why not? And if you're getting confused, you can always switch back with one click. You blew your Funded Futures network free account. Oh, from oversizing. Yeah. So I blew a Bulenox account yesterday, a funded account. I don't even know what happened. As I remember, it was somewhere in the PM session. I wanted to short for a new low, something like that. No, I don't know. It was very close to the 5% circuit breaker anyway, but I was like in a short or something. And anyway, I was oversizing, and I somewhere around here I blew it. Bulenox funded account. I have a new one now, but still. Or it takes sell liquidity, and off it has not taken yet. Yeah, so it depends on. So right now we are definitely on the new contract. Opinion Mendez, we are on the new contract, so which is the June contract or something. So you better be on the June contract. If you're still on the old one, just definitely switch it. I don't even know if that exists, but anyway, I think it's closed already. But yeah, I know what you mean. I guess you better watch out for the contract switch dates, and you better be aware of those things, But you don't look at the old contract now, so forget about it. Went long 10 funded. Woo-hoo-hoo. Admirals, congratulations. Oh yeah, definitely Maverick. Yeah. I know. Disciplined trader, hello. Or I should call you Alicia. How you doing, man? Yeah, exactly like Ollie says. 7 money back, yo. Hey, good to see you back. Yeah, so it's not that super difficult. It's actually when price drops 7%, it's the CME. The CME says if price drops 7% off from the settlement price of the previous day, then CME is freezing trading for 10 minutes, I think, or 15 minutes, something like that. So CME is freezing the price for 10 or 15 minutes when price is dropping or escalating more than 7%, right? The prop firms, like 99% of the prop firms, having this circuit breaker rule at 5%, which means they are not waiting for CME to freeze the exchange. If the price is deviating for more than 5%, then and you're trading on a funded account, that's actually a hard breach. I'm not sure about the evals, but on a funded account, that's a hard breach. So yesterday, somewhere around this area here, down there at the 700s, this was the 5% level. So if you were trading on a funded account somewhere after 3 p.m., that's a hard breach because this was over the 5% circuit breaker, this area here. This was too much of a drop. So most of these prop firms having this, it's in the fine print. Top Step, they sent out a few emails yesterday, some of these prop firms, but most of these prop firms having this in the fine print. So they're not waiting for CME. They have their level at 5%. So this was around here in this area. And that's why I was like so sure to go short here, and I just got blown up on this retracement up there. And I was stupid. Anyway. Smash the like. Yeah. Yo, Bowser, what's happening? Not on Bulenox. Okay. Bad Mouse, hello. I wasn't sure. I always make sure not to trade when we reach the... not that it happened too many times, but not to trade when we are over that 5% level, Michael. $770 was the limit down rule in Top Step. Yes, 770. So other prop firms were having somewhat the similar. I don't know. I know I was trying to short here. So I was doing it on Bulenox, but anyway, I got blown up here somewhere in this retracement. So what can I do, right? Oh, yeah, I know what I want to do, not to trade. I shouldn't have traded. That's the thing I could do. Anyway, water under the bridge. Otherwise, oh yeah, and also went down to my daily loss limit on the MyFundedFutures funded account, so it's in a drawdown. Unfortunately, it was at about $400 up, 400 something anyway. I'm down to 49,276. The Apex accounts are so far so good. Looking okay. This is the first one, almost at 3,000. This is over 1,000. This is at 1,000. Still a lot to go. This is at almost 6,000. This is the brand new Bulenox account. And DAYTRADERS is looking better. It's over $1,000 now. I'm gonna take $2,000 once we reach 2,600 on DAYTRADERS. I don't care. I'm just gonna take 2K as soon as we reach 2,600. Oh yeah, here's the Funded Futures network accounts, which I restarted. 1,800 here, 1,673 here, and the MyFundedFutures account, of course, is in drawdown, and the Take Profit Trader accounts at 1,646 and $1,417. So getting closer to get the funded account, but so far that's it. And I got a few evals, and that's it with Bulenox. So I'm not overall too much happy about yesterday, but anyway. Yeah, volatility was insane. Yeah, exactly. Even with a micro. Yeah. Closed 3 of your XFAs 10 a.m. What? 10 a.m. GMT. What? Oh, because you made too much profit, right? Are they moving you to a live account? Is that what they closed? Why they closed it? Still 600 points, 15. Yeah. Trump was talking about World War III. I haven't read about it. Anyone knows good prop firm without consistency rule and end of day? Well, on the funded account, I would say no. No. Because now prop firms are getting to realize that they need some kind of a consistency rule on the funded account and the withdrawal cap. If you look around, most of the prop firms, especially the big prop firms, are now seeing that they're bleeding out money if they don't put some kind of a cap on the withdrawals. So even though TopStep doesn't have a consistency rule per se, but they have a withdrawal cap, which is basically a consistency rule, right? You know, you cannot make as much money as you want on your XFAs. Once you reach a certain amount, they're going to put you into a live account. The same goes with Take Profit Trader. I don't know about Bulenox, but you know, or the rest, or the ones. MyFundedFutures is having a withdrawal cap. So the big prop firms realize now that the prop gamers, or those individuals, or whoever they are who are playing the system, they're basically sweeping the money out of the prop firm's pocket. So that's why, like, they're putting some kind of a cap on the withdrawals on the simulated funded accounts. Now, is it a good thing or a bad thing? I think it's a good thing because the prop firm is going to be sustainable for the long term. But I don't think you're going to be able to find a prop firm that has zero consistency rule with end of day trailing. Maybe there is, but I don't think I would like to pile up too much profit on a simulated funded account and getting nervous if they're going to pay me out or not. I would rather go to a live account, and then there's no cap there. Once you get to a live account with any of these prop firms, you're good. No cap. You can make all the money in one day. And obviously that should be the goal, right? To trade live. But as for the simulated funded accounts, prop firms always going to come out with a consistency or withdrawal cap or somehow keeping you, you know, under some kind of a cap to not be able to make as much money as you want on a simulated account. It could be a 300K account. It could be a 50K account, whichever. They're going to do something about it, against it. So what's the cap? I think if you make, I don't know. Is that like $10,000 or something with Top Step? I don't know, or 20 or 5. Somebody said $5,000 in withdrawal or 6. Not sure. Not trading with Top Step for a while. I should be trading with them because they're good, but anyway, so even though Top Step doesn't have a consistency rule, they're not going to let you to pile up too much money on your XFA. They're going to close it or something. And they're going to move you forcefully to a live account. And that's it. I found a better prop firm than Top Step too. Yeah, I know a better prop firm than Top Step. Not that Top Step is bad. I just found better. 25 times 5 XFA. Okay. 5K per XFA. Okay. 5K per 5 winning days or more. Okay. So there's a cap. You tried Bulenox. The intraday trailing could be a little tricky. I know. Definitely. I know. Banned on Top Step for being naughty. No, come on, Yesh. What happened there? What did you do? Maybe, or maybe you just banned on Top Step TV. No. Not jump to any hoops and props. Once you established have a personal, brokers will put hard daily stop limits on your accounts. Yeah. They close, haven't breaking. Then I guess you already sent the support tickets, 7 money bag yo, because if they just closed it without any reason, you should be asking that. It's Take Profit Trader. Yes, I know what you're gonna say. Oh, but they have an intraday trailing. I know, but hey, the job is to get to the safety threshold. That's it. Once you're at the safety threshold, nothing can beat the payout policy and the no rule stuff. I mean, really. There's almost like no rules with with Take Profit Trader, and obviously they're also pushing you to a live account, which is good. So I know the intraday trailing, but if you get to like on the 50K, it's $2,000. So once you get to $2,000, it's a static account, right? That's it. You're done. Go for base hits. Go for the and then daily payouts. It was awesome to get those daily payouts, I can tell you guys. So oh, me. Yeah. Yeah, I thought you're talking about yourself. Yeah, I used the code too many times. Yeah. I got banned. But the ban is lifted, by the way. Just saying. The ban is lifted. I actually traded with them since I had funded accounts with them since. I blew it, unfortunately. But the ban has been lifted. F5, they move you to live, or yeah, they move you to a live account. That's it. And they're closing down your XFAs. You can only have one single live account. So you can have 5 XFAs, but once you get those withdrawal amounts, then they're going to force you to a live account and close down all your XFAs. Take Profit Trader, for example, when they move you to a live account, you can keep your simulated funded accounts, the other ones. You can have also 5. So if one account gets to be live, you can keep the other 4 accounts with Take Profit Trader as for now. So TopStep is closing everything down, moving all the leftovers to a live account, and good luck. You know, one account. At least that's what they told me. Yes, right now it's $119 and no activation fee. $119 with no activation fee. Yeah, it's the payout policy. I mean, we can say all the best about TopStep and they are really OG, but nothing beats the payout policy of Take Profit Trader. Nothing beats the payout policy at Take Profit Trader. Nothing. MyFundedFutures is also great, but let's face it, no minimum trading days, daily payouts at Take Profit Trader. You can't get any better than that. It's actually almost faster than taking out your money from your personal trading account. So, for example, some people telling me that once they withdraw money from their personal account, of course, they request the withdrawal, and usually they get it within like 2 or 3 business days on your personal account, right? With Take Profit Trader, it's like the maximum from requesting the withdrawal until your bank account is 24 hours. Sometimes I got it within 12 hours to my bank account after requesting it from the website. On my bank account, usually, it depends on when you request it. If you request it in the London session, you should be having it on your bank account by New York PM session. If you request it in the New York PM session, you might have to wait 24 hours. Even a personal brokerage account cannot beat that. They can't. The fastest payout, daily payout policy. Just got to make sure you're above the safety net. That's it. That's the only thing. Trade above your safety threshold. That's it. No, it's not pushing, Simple Peter. It's locking in. Once you get to the buffer level, it locks in. The account is turning into a static account. That's it. Someone trying to get 0-day J to BDA, so I said, I think it would be hilarious to get J there. That would be like awesome, I think. That would be a real show, I guess. I think PW should get him on the show. With trade await instantly. Okay, then I said nothing. Someone was telling me this about I don't know if it was M Futures or which prop firm or which brokerage, but it took about 2 business days for international bank wire transfer. Which platform? Maverick, it's up to you. I use Rhythmic Connection because of Quant Tower, but that's my main reason, because I have everything connected through Quant Tower, so I always go with Rhythmic. But that's my only reason. I'm not saying the NinjaTrader license is bad or they have trade await. It's up to you. My only reason is Quant Tower, because I like everything put together in Quant Tower. You're welcome. Oh, Patrick Whelan said no. I thought Patrick Whelan likes the show. I mean, that would have been... I mean, anyway. I thought that Patrick Whelan likes a personality like Jay in the show. You know, that would have been awesome, I think. That would have been really, really, really awesome. He hates a lot of people. Oh no. I know but he's doing it for the show. I don't think that Patrick Whelan is basically like a big hater. I think he's also doing it for the show and to get more views, you know. That's why he's doing it. He's pumping up the trading space, and you know, he's an entertainer. Good entertainer, to be exact. I have a feeling that it might not be strong enough to push it up there to that Asia high. I guess we'll see, right? Let me check something here. No, it's not doing. It's not doing anything. Anyway. Most disgusting person of the future is. Yeah. Will you go on the BDH if invited? Well, there's two things. One is that I am super far away. I am super far away. And that's a good question, Naomi. I don't hate Patrick Whelan. I actually think he's very entertaining and smart. I don't know. I don't know. For now, I say maybe. Maybe. I'm gonna go with the maybe for now. With the maybe. Not my type of entertainment. The BDH. I mean, I like it, but I don't know how I would do. I mean, I don't know. It's a maybe. I'm gonna stay with the maybe. Top 1 futures? No. No, I haven't heard that. Waldo, good morning. I can say this stops the affiliates members has rule agreements and privilege. Can promote this why is Jay is affiliated with them. with Top Step. I don't know. Maybe he has. Maybe he is. I don't know. But if he is affiliated with TopStep, then that's good for him, because last time I checked with TopStep, they told me I cannot be affiliated with them while I promote other prop firms. That's what they told me, because I wanted to stay as an affiliate with them. So I sent an email to that affiliate manager who I was in contact before when I was still an affiliate. And they told me I definitely cannot be an affiliate if I promote other prop firms. So, you know. Oh, he has a contract with TopStep TV. Awesome. Well, that's why it's interesting, you know, because TopStep told me I cannot promote other prop firms. But I guess they can bend the rules a little bit if they find someone with a good community, you know. What is happening here? Are we gonna go down from here, or are we sweeping some lows, or what's the deal? Do it is crazy. Yeah. Yeah, let's build our own BDH. Market makers knew I was trading. They knew the stream is on, but we have nothing here. I'm still waiting for a possible entry. So it's not clear yet. I'm not sure about the drawn liquidity. I would say I like to see it go up there to Asia highs, but who knows? We need a BDH in Europe. If there would be a BDH here in Europe, would you guys be interested? Although I cannot put a Lambo in the background or a Porsche, not yet. Oh, he was buying so much combines. I see. Well, you know, that's why I'm saying it's their decision to make. Cannot really do anything with that. Back to Poland. Virtual EU trading house. Oh, well, you know. I mean there are some good features we could do. I guess. So, why not? Why not? You go to bed? All right. See you in New York. Have a good one, Ollie. Thanks for dropping in. Have a good day. Sorry. Have a good night. Good sleep. Yeah, I'm gonna put the BMW in the background. Definitely, I will. That's a good start, I think. Oh, he will be on Top Step TV. Nice, nice, nice. Central, yeah, Central Eastern. So that's gonna be 1 p.m. Yeah, that's gonna be sometime in the evening for me. Sometime I think around. It could be around 8 or 9 p.m. for me. All right, so far there is no clean movement here. It looks like it just wanted to sweep these levels, but I'm not so sure. There's a 15-minute gap down here. Not too far. It's at 15.50 on the micro. So I would say there's a good chance for it to break that for some liquidity. But so far, that's it. I mean, there's nothing else below. Let me check the 5. If it really wants to sweep some liquidity, this would be a good area, I guess. Buy macro and hold all. Yeah, I could do that. Actually, I was thinking to do to implement that to my trading style. I mean, I definitely had worse ideas in the past, so just try some swing trading. Yeah, it might want to go down to that 15 now. It just went down. All right. Do prop firms okay with trading NQ today? Yeah, yeah. So far, we're only down 0.29%, so we have plenty of room to go. So it's okay. Here's I know what you don't. Oh my god. We were talking about this guy. We need some signals, man. Let us know. Can we that bottom wick at 540? 540. Oh, down there. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, that's a nice area. We'll see how it wants to go. Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely. So now we need your expertise from the future. Still feel like NQ is not done here. I kind of feel like it. I mean, with the upside. We have some swing highs here to the left. And we have the Asia high. So, might be another push. Who knows? Okay. I'm also watching on gold or at gold, but I have no chart markups here, but we have an Asia low down here, also some swing highs. I would say gold can still dump lower all the way to, there's a 15-minute gap here. I do like this area at 31.05. Oh yeah, and 31.07 we have a light candle on the hourly. 07.5. Okay. So gold can actually go down. Who knows? All right, NQ, what's it gonna be? By the way, I'm starting to like, despite the technical issue which I had this week, I'm starting to like Funded Futures Network a little bit better, because it seems like they have a path to live account. The rules are actually, I think they're okay and keeping the company on a sustainable long-term growth. And I really thought that they are a brand new company, but they're trading. They're in business since a few years, and no hidden rules in the fine print or nothing bad actually. So far, they're paying out, as far as I checked with a few people, and yeah, I kind of like them, to be honest. Oh yeah, that's why I'm talking about it. I went over the rules. And I got the main bullet points, and I had to get some confirmation from support about micro scalping and DCAing, which they allow, by the way. So I had to go over some details just to make sure what I say in the video, and it seems like they're pretty much good. Anyway, you passed the account. Nice. Find the detail info on exhibition phase. There's some videos up there. If I can get the link. Not the FAQ section is not that big, so it's not that detailed. I went over the terms of use, but basically all there is the consistency rule, you know. And also the dashboard shows everything that you need to know. Where is the exhibition account questions? I know there was a video about it. Anyway, I can't find it. It's on the website. I'm gonna check it. The buy one get one free. Oh, I have to change the banner. I still have the banner on the old promo. Yeah, the Gokansas. So far they are good. I'm gonna sweep together the details, and the video is gonna be out. And also I'm doing a vlog video as well. It's nothing special. It's just basically a walks and talks video. At least I was trying out my new microphone, the DJI microphone, and I might have made a small mistake by buying the DJI gimbal. Not that it's bad, but it might be a little bit too much to walk around with. It's basically an action, not an action camera, but it's good for motion capture and stuff like that. You know, if you're showcasing some item or you're showcasing a place or whatever. But I might have been better off with like that small action camera, you know, that can, you know, circle around. And anyway, because when I put everything together on my gimbal, you know, the phone, the microphone adapter, the gimbal, everything, I'm walking around with huge stuff, you know, and like people are watching like, what is this guy doing? And I think I need a little bit more discreet, like that small pocket cam, you know, something like that. But anyway, it's fine. Camille, hey, what's going on? I am your favorite. I'm flattered. Yes, they have consistency on evaluation accounts. 30% or 40 or 30. Oh my god, and now I should know because I checked it. 40%. 40%. Yes, which I think is doable. It's not such a bad thing. Obviously, you cannot pass in 2 days. 40, yes. So the earliest you can pass an account is 3 days. But it's not a big deal. I mean, I have nothing wrong with that. Also, on the funded account, 40% consistency rule. I think that is definitely more than enough. And you can DCA and you can micro scalp. News trading is not allowed, obviously. But the payout policy, so you're okay. One thing I'm a little bit confused, and I'm waiting an answer to that, is the withdrawal. So once I get over the threshold, I wasn't getting a straight answer on the website. I mean, payouts on the Funded Pro account can be requested at any time, provided you have met your account minimum threshold. So that means on a 50K account, the threshold is $2,000, and the minimum withdrawal is $1,000, right? A balance below the account minimum threshold alone does not mean a broken rule, but you will have to meet the account minimum threshold before withdrawing again. So to me, it seems like that you can withdraw from your safety net, right? It seems to me that once you reach $2,000, you can withdraw from your safety net. I don't know if it's a good idea or a bad idea. And there's an 80% profit split, by the way. Just like with Take Profit Trader. So 80% profit split, but so you withdraw $1,000, you get $800. I don't know if it's a good idea, but first you have to meet the safety net, and that's it. That's what I'm waiting for an answer to, by the way. Yes, funded account, Satoshi, funded. That has no consistent. Instead, the robot have to trade for a minimum. What about a prop firm that has no consistency and instead instant withdraw, but have to trade for a minimum of 30 days to pass? I don't know. Is there a prop firm like that? I guess there could be. I think Audacity, that's how they say it. Audacity Capital has some rules like that. Not sure. Luna, hello. Which are multi-accounts prop firms? What I'm not sure what you mean. Multi-accounts, like you can have multiple accounts at most of these prop firms. If that's what you like, Apex, yeah. So with Bulenox you can have up to 11. With Take Profit Trader you can have up to 5 funded accounts. That is. Yeah, Apex 20. I think DayTraders lets you to have, I think, 5 as well. Funded Futures Network also 5. So most of these prop firms are stuck to 5 or 10. One of these other prop firms let you go with 20. I just don't know which one, if that's what you're asking. But yeah. it seems like Apex is the one that lets you to have the most funded accounts, I think. I don't know, I think it's a good setup. Would weed out the gamblers. Oh, definitely. Yeah, I agree. I see money flow. If that there would be some kind of a strict rule against to, you know, to squash out all the gamblers, or like not the gamblers but those who are abusing the simulated accounts, then that would be like, well, that would be interesting. Obviously, we are all gamblers in a way. We are all gambling on these accounts in a certain way. We are like professional gamblers, right? Well, that's why I think, you know, it's a little bit like as the professional poker players. I found some beautiful OEM wheels for the car, but it's super expensive, so I'm not gonna buy it. Not that I, maybe I could, but I'm not gonna spend money on this. These are the Spider Spoke wheels, OEM for the E60 BMW. The problem with this one, it's super hard to find. It's very rare, especially OEM. Like, I don't want to buy replica for now, because replica wheels are, you know, they're just super heavy and not reliable, breaking all the time. OEM wheels are definitely better. And these are super expensive and very rare. So look at that, almost 1900 euros. It's like very, very rare to find. And it's in Europe. But the problem is that the color is not the original. They refurbished this wheel. And it should be like, not this one. So I'm not, even if I would buy this, which I'm not gonna, I have to repaint this. I have to repaint this because this color is great, but it's not fitting my car. So, yeah. Yeah, exactly, Dogokan. It's like, I was hoping for a continuation as a push. Gold just went down. A little bit. Not too much. I mean, yeah, it went down. I was hoping for a push here. It's not happening. All right. Nothing. Nothing so far. I have no entry. Nothing. I mean, I guess after that drop, it should be no surprise to have a boring London session. Maybe New York will give us something, but this is just not the one. Not yet. Yeah, NFP, exactly. We have still 1 hour to go. Exactly. It's NFP Friday, so no surprise. Yeah, obviously. Obviously, no surprise here. All right. It's going lower now. There was a 50. I mean, there is a 15-minute gap here. Repricing it. Next level is at 71.25. Hold on. 571. I'm just gonna mark it up for me. Yeah, I think it could go for that. All right. Bit of a push here. Reprice the 1 minute gap here. I don't know if it wants to reach for that 71.25 down there. That's a 15-minute gap, by the way. If I zoom out on the 15 and the 5, it might look like a bullish flag thing, but hard to say. Okay, now we have a kind of somewhat of a push here. Hey Greg, what's happening? Good to see you. What is going on? Yeah, I'm just looking if this one would like to drop something a little bit on the 15 maybe. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. There is definitely liquidity down there, but the big picture looks still bullish, like it wants to push it. Not really trusting the move. Juan, hello. How the coupon works on the Funded Futures network? The coupon didn't work. It should be working. I mean, you go to the checkout page, which takes you to a Stripe checkout page, and you just type in Tom Sabo, and it should be. Hold on, it should be working. Yeah, capital letters, Tom Sabo. It should be working on the checkout page. You click on apply coupon. Let me go and then check it out. Actually, I can't because I cannot check out my own coupon code, but I'll try. Last time I checked, it was working. Add account. Standard. I'm gonna go with a standard. I go to the checkout page. Oh yeah, I'm already at the affiliate discount. Doesn't matter. Hold on. Okay, we're pushing higher. Just a second here. I'm looking into a possible scalping position. Are we gonna go for that Asia high? I don't know. I would be better be careful. Not do anything with this. Yeah, better be careful not to do anything with this. I'm also trying it out. I just have to log in. Let me add account. Okay, going to the promotion code. All capital. Yeah, it's working. I just tried out my own code and it's working. Oh wow, look at that. Now it's going higher. Interesting. La 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 la. Careful with the long positions, that's for sure. London session will be bearish. I could go to be bearish. I think so too. Yeah, targeting that 571 could be a plan here. We did not sweep any kind of liquidity here with this push, so I would say we still have a good chance to go lower to that 71 area. Or 72 maybe. Oh wow, look at that. We still have a push up there. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. I just can't enter a position here. We're gonna be chopped up. Totally. Nightwork? Hey, awesome. Well, thank you so much, by the way, for using the code drop. You want midnight open? Let's see. Could happen, Satoshi. You're short here. All right. A lot of pips on deck saying sell. Let's see. I like that Asia high at 713. To be honest, I still like it. I don't know why, but I like it. But I guess we have a low-hanging fruit at 571. If it would like to sweep some more orders. So yeah. And I still don't have an entry here for none of my positions. But this does look a little bit, well, can we say bearish? Okay, gold is dropping. They're basically just going sideways here. Buys for a quick pump. Yeah. Exactly, disciplined trader. I mean, if you just look at the 1 minute, it's like, no. Too much up and down, yeah. I know what you don't is saying short. Now, if he says short, then I guess we rather take it seriously. It could go down, I guess. The 5 minute looks also weird. Hmm. 15 minute looks a little bit weird as well. No clean direction. I can't take a trade here. I'm just sitting here and watching. 670 hold. Yeah. It's lying for a bigger move. Could happen, I guess. Since the whole London kill zone has started, I did not see any move that I really liked here. I mean, nothing at all. It feels a little bit heavy here. That is true. But I guess it's NFP week, right? I mean, NFP Friday. This is what we can expect. Exactly. Pinion Mendes, this market is just simply bad. This is not, absolutely not healthy. By far. Alright, I know what you don't says. Is dropping Slade is here. Yeah, it's gonna burst. I think, I mean, it feels heavy. I would like to see that drop, by the way, as well. That would be awesome, I think. But so far, this is like, no. No, no, no. Big no. Yeah, exactly, Naomi. I think the better moves, the better price action happened earlier, and right now, 713 is in play. Yeah, look at that. Look at this move. I wonder if this one was to go for that break higher. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Don't jump off a building. No market is worth the jump off of a building. I was watching this small gap here, but it's all a little bit sloppy. I don't think I want to jump into a trade on this. No idea. All right, now it's getting back down. If it goes back down, then it has to take out the 71, then the 571. Short every pop. All right. Let's see. Kind of curious what's going to happen here. Maybe it wants to test the 600, right? Did we go down to 600 on the micro? Not particularly, right? Yeah, this one didn't go down to retest 600. We'll see. We shall see. Yeah, seems like it, Matt. Better be careful. The minimum. All right. I know what you don't is usually right, so I'm trusting his instinct. Instinct. I wonder if it wants to test the 600 now. Kind of curious. Actually, I want to check something here. Because it didn't go down. I don't know if the mini went down to 600. The low was 0.75 earlier on that level. It's not doing anything. I know what you don't is pretty much confident about this. I wonder if we're gonna get through the 600 here. That's gonna say something if we can at least test it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's it doing? Almost down there. Squeezing everybody now, I think. What a squeeze. What a squeeze. I'm just watching this because it's kind of interesting. Yeah, exactly. There was a small gap here. It could be running higher. Okay, moving higher. So much for the 600 now. And yeah, could be ready for the push. Could be ready for the push. Hey, Cedric, what up? We're watching this price range here. Nothing else. Still in shorts. Okay. We formed an SMT. I'm just curious how it's gonna go, because if we break that 600, I might gonna scalp it to 571. Not sure. There's a small gap on the mini. Also down here at 98 on the mini. I'm not saying entry for a short here, but it's definitely interesting how it's protecting this 600 level. So it might be accumulating to push up to Asia highs at 713. But if it gets through, then we have a nice liquidity at 571, I would say. So it's kind of interesting, especially on the mini. Repriced the gap. Not sure if it will try to attack 600 once more. It might want to do a down close candle on that gap. Not really sure about it. I mean, 600 is pretty close. And we have another gap down there on the mini. So I want to see if we have a down close candle Are we gonna go for that 571 or not? That's what I want to know. I don't know. It's not going through yet. Now it's going down. But it was not a down close candle. It just barely swept. It didn't even go to 600. What is happening here? It went down to 600.25 on the micro. And here the low was also 625. Didn't go below that. The move is done, Maverick says. The big pump in Asia, the algo, has gone to sleep. Naomi, I don't know what to say. I really don't know. I really don't know. Is this gonna be one of those days? I have no freakish idea. F around and find out. Maybe. I wish I know. I wish I know. It should be busting through the 600. That's what I know, but it's not enough for me to jump into a scalp position. That's my issue with this. So oh, there you go. There you go. And now 571. Oh wow, what a bounce here. No positions on me. Although this could be a good area right now to enter a short to target 571, but whoa! Marcos Sesso, thank you very much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. I know what you don't is winking. Chop chop. Zach, hello, good morning. How you guys doing? How's everybody? Yes, sitting in the midnight open here. Well, as long as I know what you don't is saying, we should be okay. I'm trusting his instinct. So I think we're good. But it was definitely a chop suey. Absolutely a chop suey. And we still have the pre-market open. So that could be a bit of a mess. A very rare 10,000 thick candle. Oh. Okay, then so basically we're in the middle of nowhere. Casual, hello there. Natasha. Private shit. Yeah, it's... Guys, this is really the prime example of what not to trade. If you see this on the 1 minute, you definitely know that it's a huge pile of steaming bull, you know. Because this is just... It looks like a bull flag, by the way. Classic pattern, I know. I'm not trading it. I'm not trading the bull flag and bear flag like PW, but it kind of looks like what it is. It's ready to go higher. Builds character. Exactly. You know, when you can make money in this condition, in these conditions, well, you definitely know something. Sweat some liquidity here. Looks like it's going higher. I would say 713 could be a good target. If I would have just stayed on the 5 or the 15 minute, maybe it would be easier to pick up some liquidity and then go higher. But in this crap, I'm just no. I just can't. It's undoable. Oh yeah, Trades by Slade wants to go to BDH, I think. Yeah, just sit and watch. I'm sure you will get there. I mean, you have to apply, right? So I guess you applied already. So, yeah, there you go. There you go. I think lots of people have applied already, so. You'll get there. Don't worry. Just dump it for me. I don't know what it wants to do. There is definitely liquidity on the 15-minute down there at 571. I feel like we can get it. We have a chance for it. It's not that far, actually. We have every chance to go for it. And we have the pre-market open pretty soon, so we might see some liquidity sweep. Whoa! Milli MFN money. I like it. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. All right. Are we gonna go sweep that level, or what's the deal here? Kind of wondering. That level, the low is also 71.50. All right. Pre-market is about to open. You're gonna have your own BDH? Woohoo! Okay, then, you know what? I'm gonna travel there to you, and we're gonna do a BDH 2.0 live stream. How about that? We have to do it. You know, we have to. There's no other way around it. All right, what's this doing right now? We have still 40 seconds until they open. Oh, you will? Thank you. I am definitely gonna go. If you invite me for a live stream, I'll go, and we're gonna decorate everything. We're gonna do some awesome stunts on live stream. When to buy in or sell? Well, I would say there's a good scalping opportunity to go for a sell for 571, but it's not financial advice. Obviously, the range is now too tight, so better be careful. Here comes the pre-market open. So here it goes. Is this going to sweep liquidity? Who knows? Is it gonna do it or not? Almost went down. I mean, that 15-minute level is pretty close. Pretty close. And it didn't go down for it yet. Yeah, Patrick Williams plays to trade, but we're gonna build a better one. Actually, Natasha is building a better one. Alright, what is happening, man? It's kind of an interesting scenario here, hovering just above liquidity. I don't know what to do here. Is this gonna sweep that level, or what's the idea? Not really going for it, right? Could be a bounce, as usual. Nobody knows what's it gonna do. I don't know what's the deal here. Feels like it could be ready for a bounce. Kind of interesting. Bin trades. Hello. You shorted? Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't really want to. It doesn't really want to go. Kind of weird. Yeah. Actually, now here's the push. So it did not go down to cover that area. That's kind of interesting to me. But anyway, we'll see. Picked up some liquidity on a 1 minute gap. But we still don't know what it wants to do. Oh man, what a day. What a chop suey. And I was aiming for that 571. I was looking at that level, but it's just full of traps. A lot of traps. Give it time to climax, yeah. Actually, there was one possible opportunity up here for scalping this area. But I'm not sure about the push. I mean, obviously there should be liquidity down there, but is it gonna get it? We don't know. All right, now it's going for it. Nice. And I didn't go for the scalp. The FOMO. I can't take a trade. I can't. The FOMO. The FOMO. Man, the FOMO. Session low. Yeah, I guess that's good. That's actually excellent. But oh man, the FOMO is really kicking in on my end. Too much emotion today for me. Too much. Fudge. This was the only opportunity that I was looking for, that 571, and should have entered down, up there. At least for a small position. anyway. What can I do, right? Here's the midnight open, yeah. Exactly. Nice call there, by the way. Why not 605? And it broke the range. I mean, there was a gap here, if that's what you're asking. I was struggling to enter a short or not to target that liquidity, and it's too late. Okay. What a day. What a day. Bouncing, bouncing, bouncy, bouncy. That's a good plan there. Yeah. I know what you don't is making like super good money. And he just came back from vacation. Imagine that. And he's printing money already. All right, I'm gonna call it here. I don't want to be in this. I don't feel it. I'll be back for New York session because I'm just feeling the FOMO anyway, and let's wait after NFP, right? Maybe we'll have something. So I'm sorry for the short stream. I just don't feel it. I don't like it. So I'm gonna call it. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I'll be back for New York, and hopefully I get some nice entry there. And if you would like to support, please use the same code. Tom Sabo works at most of these prop firms. Check it out. If you use TRADEIFY, I don't have a custom code, but please click on my link and use the monthly code, which is SPRING. That gives a bit of a credit. Thank you. I do appreciate it. Tom Sabo is the cheat code for prop firms. Thank you. All right. God bless you all, and I'll be back for New York session. All right. Cheers, everyone.